Every single second, algorithms decide what millions of people watch, buy, listen to, and even think about. YouTube, TikTok, Netflix, Spotify, they all use recommendation algorithms. But what actually happens behind the scenes? How does an app know exactly what you want before you even search for it? In this video, we're going to break down what recommendation algorithms are, how they work, who created them, when they became powerful, and why they are one of the most important technologies on the internet. Let's look behind the scenes. A recommendation algorithm is an AI system designed to predict what you may want next. It studies your behavior. What you click. What you watch. How long you watch. What you skip. What you like. Even what you pause on. Then it tries to answer one question. What content will keep this user engaged? Without recommendation systems, YouTube would have billions of random videos, Netflix would be impossible to browse, and TikTok would feel completely chaotic. These algorithms organize the internet. The idea started long before modern AI. In the 1990s, websites began using something called collaborative filtering. The concept was simple. If two people like similar things in the past, they may like similar things in the future. Early companies like Amazon helped popularize this. When Amazon said, "People who bought this also bought this," that was recommendation AI. But recommendation systems truly exploded after social media. Companies like YouTube, Netflix, Facebook, TikTok, and Spotify started investing billions into AI systems that could predict human attention. And today, recommendation algorithms are among the most advanced AI systems in the world. So how do they actually work? First, the platform collects data. Every interaction becomes information. Clicks. Watch time. Likes. Comments. Shares. Search history. Rewatches. Even your scroll speed. The algorithm slowly builds a profile of your interests. Next, AI models search for patterns. For example, if millions of users who enjoy gaming videos also watch AI videos, the system learns that those topics are connected. It doesn't truly understand videos like humans do. It understands patterns. Now comes the important part. Ranking. The algorithm predicts which video you'll click, which video you'll finish, and which video keeps you on the platform longer. Then it chooses the highest scoring content. Not randomly. Mathematically. And the scary part? It never stops learning. Every second, recommendation algorithms update based on new user behavior. So your feed tomorrow may look completely different from today. Recommendation algorithms became extremely powerful during the rise of deep learning around the 2010s. As GPUs became faster and AI models became larger, algorithms could analyze billions of users, massive amounts of content, and real-time behavior. This allowed platforms like TikTok to create highly addictive personalized feeds. Today, recommendation AI influences entertainment, shopping, music, news. Recommendation systems don't always know you personally. But they know patterns from millions of people similar to you. If enough users behave similarly, the AI becomes surprisingly accurate. That's why sometimes it feels like your phone is reading your mind. It usually isn't. It's predicting behavior. Recommendation algorithms quietly control much of the modern internet. They decide what goes viral, what gets ignored, and what billions of people see every day. And the more data they collect, the smarter they become. So next time your feed feels perfectly personalized, remember this. There's an AI behind the scenes making those decisions. If you want to see more videos about what AI actually does behind the scenes, subscribe. Because AI isn't just doing its job. It knows what it's doing.